Maybe the face I can't forget, the trace of pleasure or regret. Maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe a million different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty of the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, maybe turn a chain to a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows in the past that I remember till the day I die. Maybe the reason I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I care for through the rough and ready years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs, 'cause where she goes I got to be. The meaning of my life is she. She, oh.